Look, I know you pissed off, I ain't mean to dip off, but I had to dip off, yeah, I had to dip off. I was busy running to that green like a kickoff. Now you ticked off, talking about I might get clipped on. Damn shorty, I'm like damn shorty, why you tripping? I wasn't even your man, shorty.
Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome to today's video. Today we got the Marvids Duro, and yeah, I remember some people were telling me that I should do a bike check, and you know, I was like, okay, let's do it. I think this is 2017 OM Duro, or 2017-2018. They made the same color for both years. All the reflex right here is all about my pedaler, and if you guys remember before, I did a video like a couple months ago where I showed you guys how to go install these, so that's how I got all of this stuff, and yeah, it's still holding up good. Alright, so everything else held in place. The only thing that just like got messed up was this right here. I forgot what I even did, but yeah, I just took that fall, or I don't even know. I think I was downtown and then I had my bike popped up and that jump fell, scratched, and I was like, I got mad. Over here we got I'm pretty sure like ODI, like some Vans grips. These are kind of hard, but they're ripping as shit. I gotta wear gloves. What is it? Cross gloves. But yeah, I gotta wear them, and because like it hurts. I don't know why. Like I get like all this stuff right here. Forgot what it's called. What's it called? It's like
I think like
calluses.
yeah, calluses.
Yeah,
like that.
I get that, and yeah, I need to get new grips soon because it's kind of wearing out. And yeah, also I got the public enemy pad. I'm pretty sure it's on my friend One Way Patrick. He's not a one way anymore because he stopped riding bikes. He gave me this pad. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, my own Duro looks a little bit different. As you guys can see, we got the rim right here. It's black, 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 purple, purple, and purple stem. There's some purple things on here, and I blacked out like all the chrome parts. If you guys don't know, most of the chrome, like most of this is chrome besides the frame. But yeah, I don't really like chrome, so I decided to go and black it out. So yeah, like I don't know, I just hate chrome. Like, see that bike right there? I hate that. Also got Public Enemy seat. As you can see, it says Marvids on there. I did a little thing. I didn't even have a sticker like this. I just had like some extra stickers and I put them like that. And I painted this black, or not black, purple. It looks black because I don't know, I kind of messed up. But yeah, this seat is from, I think his name's they call him Swaggy or Phil. I forgot, but he died, and someone like I traded the seat was on, so like I don't want to mess this up because this is a really good seat too, and yeah, it's just something special that I have on this bike.
Protect that seat.
Huh?
Protect the seat.
Yeah, protect the seat at all costs. Also, wait, hold. Oh my God, look! Yo, I just noticed this. I f***ed on my rim again. Yo,
No.
bro, I swerved too hard again.
Wow.
Yo, I just look right here. Do you feel this bump? Do you see that? Yeah, you can feel it.
Oh my God.
So what I was about to say is this is like the rim that I replaced. Is I forgot, it was a couple months ago. I swerved too hard. The jump almost just got messed up. This is the only rim that I still have that's painted. As you guys can see right there, it's showing. I got Odyssey pedals at all costs. I need to get new tires. These are like the stock tires will fit, but like as you guys can see, this John is dirty. I need to clean my bike. I just cleaned my bike. What was it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure yesterday. And yeah, it's hard to get these stains out. I need to get like all black tires, but I gotta go fix up the fabric first. But I also got this spray painted too. It's purple, and there's spokeskins. Some were missing because I had some problems with the what's it called? The cassette? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's called the cassette because fabric first have free wheels here. I don't know, but yeah, I had something wrong with that, so I had to go take it off, and then I could put them back on, but I just never did, and I don't even know where it is. But also hydros. These are Duro X's. These ones are sharp. I like my brakes sharp, and also have like a little rubber thing on here. Forgot I don't know what
condoms.
it's called. Yeah, brake condoms. You gotta stay protected.
Yeah.
Safe riding out here. Also, Black Ops pegs on here too. I'm pretty sure everyone has these pegs.
Yeah. Same with my Duro.
Yeah, and then
Nothing Jones.
this one. So if you guys don't know, OM Duros have like a different type of valve stem. So
Oh
I
yeah,
think
they
they're
have
called
Prestos. Prestos. Something
yeah,
like
I'm pretty sure they're called Prestos, like the shoes. But like, yeah, I have like a little adapter on these things that I can just like hook up like a normal what's it called, pump, and then it would work. So anytime I'm stuck like downtown or some shit, I can just pump that back up. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that's it. This is my 2018 Marvids Duro or OM Duro by SC. Gotta let them know.
SC,
SC
you know.
sponsored me. I also goes for SC for shouting me out on their on their page too. But yeah, you know, sponsor me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I was about to say comment down below, but YouTube comment disable my comments.
Unreal.
Unreal. Let me know on Instagram what else you want to see from me, since YouTube disabled my comments. And yeah, also subscribe if you hadn't yet, because I don't know, like maybe like half of you aren't subscribed yet, but subscribe, you know, reach me to 10K, and yeah, see you guys later.
Wait, where is it?
Right. Sean got me mad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like it's a little bit dark. But damn, I don't know when that. I mean, it's not that bad as before.
Yeah, it was
it's
really
like a little
bad when I got a different rim.
just a little bump.
Yeah, but like still, it still got me mad though.
It's not that bad.
Not that bad. Wait, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Not that bad. All right, Daniel. Now he wants to land soft. What the? Why is there a car right, bro? This John's a whole one way. One way. It also smells good too. Keep it a bean. This bull gives no Ow! I see some up the hill combos. He got a Duro, remember that. Alright. Oh, you was about to lose that too. Yeah, obviously. Yes, sir. What? Oh my God. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Landed. Bum. Unreal. Forward. How do you know it's a? Oh, it is a. Oh my God! It gave me an orgasm. Is that? Yo. Chris Breezy. Huh? Look at this bull, not doing any wheelies. Come on, let's go hear a little bop for you. Bop for me. Bop.
Cut that out, bro. I don't
Cut that out. Oh!
Damn, not the legs. Not the legs. Not the legs.
We Gucci. Bro, I don't know how Woman Mike did that.
Oh! Oh my god, my fucking brakes almost. That was scary. Alright. Land it. Yeah. Alright. Ah. Can't one hand. Oh. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, my brakes are about out of control. Turn left, yeah. This is on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck, yo! Oh my god! Oh my god, that John felt scary.
You can't find the time, maybe we should quit joking. I can't stay the same, I can't play a game, I am fresh at a token.